How to like reposted videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can like reposted videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To like the reposted videos on TikTok, you can simply open up TikTok. To like it, first of all, you have to find out which videos you have reposted. Now I have not liked this video, so I will go ahead and then I will repost it, let's say. Now once I repost it, I want to like this video. Maybe I have already went through so many past videos. Now I don't find that video. Now to find that video, just come to the profile tab. Right in between your profile, you'll see a little infinity loop icon over here. This here is the repost tab, where you'll be able to see a list of all the videos you have reposted. So now you can select that particular video, and you can also choose to like that video if you'd like. But you have to find the reposted videos. This way you should be able to like reposted videos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.